Ever feel like your productivity tools are speaking different languages? Like your to-do list doesn't talk to your calendar? Or your project management board is completely oblivious to your customer support tickets? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of Trello and answering a question that can seriously level up your workflow. What apps does Trello actually work with? Now, Trello itself is a fantastic visual collaboration tool. Its intuitive boards, lists, and cards make managing projects and tasks a breeze. But let's be honest, no single app can do it all. That's where the magic of integrations comes in. Think of Trello as the central hub, capable of connecting with a vast ecosystem of other tools to create a seamless and efficient workflow. Before we jump into specific apps, let's quickly touch upon why these integrations are so crucial. Imagine you're managing a marketing campaign. You might be using Google Drive for storing creative assets, Slack for team communication, and MailChimp for email marketing. Without integrations, you'd be constantly switching between these platforms, copying and pasting information, and potentially missing crucial updates. This is a recipe for wasted time and, frankly, a headache. Trello integrations eliminate this friction. They allow you to connect your favorite apps directly to your Trello boards, bringing relevant information and functionalities right where you need them. This means less context switching, improved collaboration, and ultimately, a more productive you. So, where do we even begin with the sheer number of apps Trello plays nicely with? It's a long and impressive list, but we can break it down into key categories to make things easier to digest. First up, let's talk about communication and collaboration. In today's fast-paced work environment, staying connected is paramount. Trello integrates seamlessly with popular communication platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Imagine getting real-time notifications within your team chat whenever a Trello card is updated, a new comment is added, or a task is assigned. You can even create and manage Trello cards directly from your Slack or Teams interface. This eliminates the need to constantly flip between apps, ensuring everyone stays in the loop and important information isn't missed. Beyond general team chat, Trello also connects with more focused communication tools. For instance, integrations with platforms like Zoom or Google Meet allow you to easily link video conference calls to specific Trello cards, keeping all relevant meeting details and action items in one central place. This is incredibly useful for project kickoffs, client meetings, or even just quick team check-ins. Next, let's move on to file storage and management. In almost every project, you'll be dealing with documents, images, videos, and other files. Trello integrates beautifully with cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. You can easily attach files directly to Trello cards, ensuring that all relevant assets are readily accessible to your team. No more searching through endless email threads or shared folders. These integrations often allow for real-time previews of files within Trello, making it even quicker to find what you need. Now, let's talk about the backbone of many projects, project management and productivity. While Trello itself is a project management tool, it can be further enhanced by connecting with other specialized apps. For example, integrations with tools like Jira allow development teams to seamlessly link their software development workflows with broader project management efforts in Trello. This ensures that everyone, from developers to marketing teams, has visibility into the progress and status of different aspects of a project. Similarly, if you're a fan of time tracking, Trello integrates with popular apps like Toggle Track and Harvest. You can start and stop timers directly from your Trello cards, making it easy to track the time spent on specific tasks and gain valuable insights into your team's efficiency. For those focused on task management and personal productivity, integrations with apps like Evernote and Todoist can be incredibly useful. You can easily turn Evernote notes into Trello cards or sync your Todoist tasks with your Trello boards, creating a unified system for managing both individual and team workloads. Let's not forget about sales and customer relationship management, CRM. For teams that interact directly with clients, integrating Trello with CRM platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot can be a game changer. You can create Trello cards from new leads or opportunities, track the progress of deals through different stages on a Trello board, and ensure that sales and project teams are aligned. This provides a visual overview of the sales pipeline and facilitates smoother handoffs between teams. Moving on, let's consider the power of marketing and analytics. For marketing teams, Trello offers integrations with a variety of tools. We already mentioned MailChimp for email marketing, allowing you to track campaign progress and manage related tasks within Trello. Integrations with social media management platforms can help you plan and schedule content, track engagement, and collaborate on social media campaigns directly from your Trello boards. Furthermore, integrations with analytics tools can bring key performance indicators, KPIs, directly into your Trello workflow, providing valuable insights into the success of your marketing efforts. Another important category is automation and workflow enhancement. Trello's own powerful automation feature, Butler, allows you to create custom rules and triggers to automate repetitive tasks. But the integration possibilities go even further with platforms like Zapier and If This Then That. These tools act as bridges between thousands of different apps, allowing you to create incredibly customized workflows. For example, you could automatically create a Trello card whenever a new form submission is received, a new email arrives in your inbox, or a specific event occurs in another app. The possibilities for automation are virtually endless, helping you save time and focus on more strategic work. Beyond these core categories, Trello also integrates with a wide range of other specialized tools, including diagramming and mind mapping tools. Visualize ideas and project plans with integrations like Lucidchart or MindMeister. Customer support platforms. Manage support tickets and track customer issues with integrations like Zendesk or Intercom. Developer tools. Integrate with platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket for seamless collaboration between development and project teams. HR and onboarding tools. Streamline hiring and onboarding processes with integrations for HR platforms. Finance and accounting software. Track budgets and manage financial aspects of projects with relevant integrations. The beauty of Trello's integration ecosystem lies in its flexibility. You can pick and choose the apps that are most relevant to your specific needs and create a customized workflow that truly works for you and your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.